You can still see the blood off him. And then we go over here. We got person that was mysteriously murdered. We got the sword. We got this. And holy shoot! That corn was rotting away. God, I need to go for backup. 2-5, I might need hazmats. Weird as I thought. I don't know, something's going on. Holy shoot, I need medics for like 4 people. I don't think one of them's gonna make it, but send some spot in there to kill this guy. We got tomato, corn, pumpkin, melon. Later. Oh my god, this is no wonder the chief called us into here. Just in case he's gonna shoot. Okay, looks like he's not dead. Yeah, you're doing okay now. Yeah. Let's go over here. Ow, ow. What the hell did he... Is that a skirt? I think so. Anyways. Come on. Can't be late. Said, come on. Alright. Whoa. That is very bloody. Very bloody. What is that? Yo, I found him. I'm coming. Yeah, come quick. Quick, bro. Quick, come. Come. Over here. Get him. Ready? 12 o'clock. Ready? He's trying to get through my bulletproof vest. But he can't. Oh, that's it. Fire! Hey, we got him. Right? Yep, we did. He's trying to fight back though. We got him, didn't we? Yep, we got him. Yeah, we got him. What do you mean? Don't look behind you. Why? What are you doing? What? That's what I thought. No one's gonna kill me. Let's go. That is super easier than I thought. Whoop, ow. Anyways, like I said, take a nice break. Shickle-doodles, mingles, whatever you want to eat. I'm going to eat because I want to look like someone shot me. So here's nothing. Ow, 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 ow. That actually hurt. Ow. I'm going to pretend to contact to the medic. I need a medic. He's shooting. I cut my leg off. Oh my god. Dead. About to die. Help! I need a medic.